Today, we will guide you through our easy-to-use Emecole Metro 8590 control joint filler to complete a clean, smooth, professional-looking job. A case of 8590 control joint filler contains 6 dual tubes and the necessary mixers, nuts, and restrictors. We recommend using an angle grinder with a dust shroud, a handheld floor scraper, Emecole's spring-loaded dual Jake gun, a wet-dry shop vac, a disposable paper cup, disposable gloves, and safety glasses. Use the angle grinder to grind off the uneven and rough areas, getting down to the raw concrete. Vacuum again after grinding to ensure good product adhesion. Shake cartridge for 2 to 3 minutes. It is important to get a proper mix for consistent results. Remove the cap, clear restrictor, and white plug from cartridge. Set aside the white plug to seal any unused product after the job is completed. Snap off the restrictor from its ring and place it on top of the tube, fin side facing up. Place mixer on top of the cartridge, straight down. Make sure to keep restrictor in place while securing with the nut. Insert the dual tube into the dual caulk gun, making sure the push rods are properly aligned. Discs must be level and not on an angle when inserted into the bottom of the cartridge. Rotate and slowly squeeze the trigger on the caulk gun while pointing it up until you see the material reach the top. Dispense approximately 1 mixer of material into the disposable cup to ensure proper mix. Dispense the material into the joint at a steady pace. If there's a delay installing, purge material every 60 seconds by dispensing a small amount of material into the disposable cup to prevent material from hardening in the mixer. Let the material cure for a minimum of 15 minutes before attempting to scrape off excess. You will end with a clean, smooth, professional-looking control joint that will be light traffic ready in 30 minutes and full service ready in approximately 1 hour. Thank you for using Emecole Metro's 8590 control joint filler, and be sure to check out our other products and videos.